Good morning, all of you. I am Professor Iyer. I am very happy to see all of you. Today I am going to put a video on today's budget, economic budget. Many people say that this particular budget is not up to the mark, but I feel that it is a very good budget because so many things are added in this particular budget. It is no doubt a long term budget. This particular budget, I would like to say one important thing about digital currency based on this blockchain. I just wanted to say about this in a few words. A blockchain is a digital ever growing list of data records. Such a list is comprised of many blocks of data which are organized in chronological order and are linked and secured by cryptographic proofs. You know, the first prototype of blockchain is dated back in the early 1990s when computer scientist Stuart Haber and physicist W. Scott Stornetta applied cryptographic techniques in a chain of blocks as a way to secure digital documents from data tampering. The work of Haber and Stornetta certainly inspired the work of Dave Bayer, Hal Finney and many other computer scientists and cryptographer enthusiasts, which eventually led to creation of Bitcoin as the first decentralized electronic cash system. The Bitcoin white paper was published in the year 2008 under the Scottish Nakadoma. Although the blockchain technology is older than Bitcoin, it is a core underlying component of most cryptocurrency networks, acting as a centralized, distributed and public digital ledger that is responsible for keeping a permanent record of all previously confirmed transactions. Bitcoin transactions occur within a peer-to-peer network of globally distributed computers. Each node contains a copy of blockchain and contributes to the functioning and security of the network. That is what makes Bitcoin a decentralized digital currency that is borderless, censorship resistant and that does not require third party intermediation. As a distributed ledger technology, we call it as DLT, the blockchain is intentionally designed to highly resistant to modification of and frauds such as double spending. This is true because the Bitcoin blockchain a database records cannot be altered nor can it be tampered without an impractical amount of electricity and computational power, which means the network can enforce the concept of original digital documents, making each Bitcoin a very unique and uncopyable form of digital currency. You know that this is a very important thing of Bitcoin which I wanted to tell you that. So this is in fact based on the so-called proof of work consensus algorithm is what made it possible for Bitcoin to be built as a, you know that it is a BFT technology system, meaning that is blockchain is able to operate continuously as a distributed network even if some of the participants present dishonest behavior or inefficient functionally. So this technology is very important, you know, it is a long term technology, but in the budget when I talk about this concept of Bitcoin and other things, it will be only applicable in the long run. It is not for the short run. People say that its a budget is in fact based on long run. We have to see about the long run because in Sri Lanka they have the reserve of only $1 billion whereas India is having $500 billion. So they are going to be insolvent within a few months. So this is a very good opportunity that India should concentrate on helping Sri Lanka so that they can at least make them the terms dictatable. And as far as this particular budget is a common budget, so there is no benefit you can say that now people ask about the taxpayer limit, budget, exemption, etc., which when the present crisis they are unable to deal with it. So maybe let us wait and see for one more year whether this budget is going to help or not. But according to me, no doubt it is a long term budget. We will have to wait and see. Thank you.